The OnePlus Nord N200 may be a budget smartphone that was free in 2021. It's a lower-priced variant of the OnePlus Nord, with a variety of options and specifications that build it appropriate for users WHO square measure trying to find a cheaper smartphone possibility. N200 smartphone. Here is a summary of its specifications. 1. Display, 6.52-inch HD plus IPS LCD. 2. Processor, Qualcomm Snapdragon 460. 3. Storage, 32 GB, expandable up to 1 TB with micro SD. 4. RAM, 3 GB. 5. Rear camera, 13MP main camera, 2MP depth sensor. 6. Front camera, 5MP. 7. Battery, 5000 mAh. 8. Operating system, Android 11. 9. Connectivity, dual SIM, 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 802.11a/p/g/n/AC.